Alright students, Paul, your instructor for Supply Chain Management, SAP module. We're going to look at module 10, Warehouse Management Case Study. This one shouldn't take you guys too long, but it can be tricky, so take your time. You have a week to do this. So in step 1, we want to create a purchase order. Okay. So we go logistics, materials management, purchasing, purchase order, create, vendor supplying plant known. And we click on that. It's going to be a standard purchase order. Put in your vendor number. And then your purchasing organization, US00, purchasing group, N00, company, US00, and then you're going to expand your item overview and enter KPAD1 and then your number. Okay. So that was 147, so let's just enter that. As your material, quantity, PO quantity, change your columns. So that PO quantity 50. San Diego as the plant. Okay, so as plant is going to be San Diego. Plant SD00. And then storage location is going to be TG. Right next to plant, storage location. $40 American USD is going to be the net price. So let's see if we can find the net price. There it is. 40. And 8 days from now is the delivery date. So delivery date. So 8 days from now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hang on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's the delivery date. In the next row, repeat entries for another part. EPAD1 147. Quantity 50. Delivery date will be the same, so you can copy it. Net price 40. SD00 plus the plant is San Diego. The storage location is TG. And you should compare your entries to the screenshot. Then you can hit save. Oh, forgot our currency. See? USD, 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 and hit save. So the PO number, the standard PO number was created write that down just so you have it handy. 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 1, 10. Hit OK. So that is step 1. Step 2, pretty easy, display material. So let's just exit back out to return to the SAP Access menu. So, display material inventory. Again, logistics, materials management. This time we're going to go inventory management, environment, stock overview. Okay. So in the stock overview screen, enter KPAD 1147, that's my part, and hit execute. So, there we go. Note the amount of your good in San Diego is 0. However, after double clicking on San Diego, actually mine isn't 0, I've done this exercise before, so that's why I already have a quantity of unrestricted use of 50. Okay, if you double click on San Diego, you can see the stock position. Okay, so I've already got 50 because I've already done this exercise before. Okay, but that's the way to look at the inventory stock position. So I'm going to go right to step 3, display material inventory value. So, back to logistics. Materials management, inventory management, environment, stock, and warehouse stock, MB52. I'm going to write that down. It's good to know. Put your stock number in there. Execute. So you have a bunch of zeros as your stock positions. Or you should. I have 2,000 units here, USD. I have 50 in unrestricted quantity because I've already done this exercise. And you can repeat this step for the EPAD1 part as well. So I'm going to go to step 4, receive the goods. So logistics, materials management, inventory management, goods movement, GR for purchase order. So if you have not written down your purchase order, you can look it up, but I wrote it down, so it was 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 210. And hit enter. There we are. There's our purchase order that I created today. Okay. So, in the goods receipt purchase order, let's see here, change the material document drop down to goods receipt, already goods receipt. Adjust the type of goods receipt to purchase order, already there. We've already entered our purchase order, so we've got everything. Okay. So, after your purchase order data comes up, select the check boxes on the OK and OK. Okay, why is this one not letting me? Again, it says if one of the boxes is grayed out, we might have to close out the detail screen. Okay, so let's try that again. Okay, hang on, what the heck? Let's just hit enter, see if that solves our problem. So, I'm not 100% sure why this is grayed out. Maybe because I've done this assignment before. But anyways, you would click the OK. Make sure that the TG traded in goods is the storage location. You may not like my vendor number. I changed it. Plus I'm having systems issues. Where the hell this screen is from. Exit this. Nonetheless, once you click OK on both of these, and the quantities are 50, and the stock type is unrestricted use. You can post. So the material has been posted, and then you can click OK and exit. So that's step 4. Step 5, it's basically going back and displaying material inventory. And step 6 is displaying material inventory value. It's pretty seamless. I'm going to see if I can jump to step 7, which is run bin status report. LX03 is the keystroke. Warehouse 100. Bin STPN 147, which is me. And then execute. So then there's our bin status report. Alright, so that's step 7. Exit. Step 8 is creating the transfer order, which is LB11 in the keystrokes. So you've got the warehouse, the material number, the plant, so that's San Diego. Okay. Press enter. No data is available. Okay, why? Anyways, This should work for you.